Hammond Bay, quiet and coastal. Neck Point Park's right here. Rocky shores, trails, and fresh air. Perfect balance. Hey, I'm Jesse. This is 79 Riley Place in desirable Hammond Bay. Ocean views and updates throughout. We're 5 minutes from Neck Point Park and nearby North Nanaimo beaches and shopping. Let's go in and take a look. Step inside. Fresh white walls, blue accent welcoming you in. Kitchen's redone. Stainless appliances, new cabinets, brass hardware. White tile backsplash, pot lights overhead. Vinyl planks floors, new in 2023, run throughout. Smooth and modern. Living room opens up. Electric fireplace, natural light, ocean and mountains right out the window. Flex space, renovated half bath. Kids room, renovated main bath, new tub and shower. Primary bedroom with a heat pump keeping it comfortable. Out back, decks railings repainted and new steps lead up to 2 upper patios. Ocean views right there. Up here on the upper deck, water, mountains, quiet, just peace. If this fits, let's talk.